Good morning everyone, myself Alvin Joseph and I'll be taking computer for you. Our first chapter is categories of computers and computer languages. You know that computers have evolved from very small mechanical devices to what we see today like smartphones, desktop, laptops, etc. They have the ability to do millions of transactions or millions of works in a milliseconds or in a short period of time. Computers come in different sizes of different purposes. But have you ever thought of the humans, how they communicated with computers for the first time? How the first computers was invented and what was the size of that? And what was the features, how the man used that? So in this chapter we are going to deal mainly about the classification of computers earlier and in the present situations. And the first topic of our chapter is classification of computer. Computers can be classified in different ways. Most commonly, computers can be classified on the basis of working principle, purpose and size. And the first type of classification is on the basis of working principle. According to working principle, computer can be again divided into three. First one is analog computer, second one is digital computer and third one is hybrid computer. First one, analog computer. It is used to process analog data which is in the form of continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, hydraulic quantities. They operate by measuring rather than counting. This type of computers are used in process control plants. They assess inputs which vary according to time and intensity. Next one is digital computers. A computer that performs calculation and logical operation on digits are known as digital computers. Each data is converted into digits and all the operations are taken or performed on the digits. This type of computers are used in business and scientific applications. And third type of computer on the basis of working principle is hybrid computer. It's a combination of digital and analog computer and uses the best qualities of both digital and analog computer. It is more suited in the case where the display is needed in the digital format but the data is collected in the analog format. For example, in ICUs of hospital, analog computers can measure a patient's temperature or heart function and then the measurements are converted into numbers and provided to the display for displaying these numbers or measurements. And next we are going to see the type of computers on the basis of size. And the first one among them is supercomputer. Supercomputers are very expensive. They perform multiple tasks for multiple users. They have very high processing time and can do high and complex calculation in a milliseconds. And it provides large amount of capacity or data storage for the user. And now we are going to see some of the fields where the supercomputers are used effectively. First one is for forecasting weather and climate. Second one is military system. Third one is automobile and aircraft designing field. And fourth one is in the field of seismography, energy and nuclear research systems. They are also used in digital film making and petroleum exploration also. And second one is mainframe computers. They are large and very expensive. They support hundreds or even thousands of users at the same time. And they can process large amount of data with high speed. Mainframe computers are considered as more powerful than supercomputers because they can support more than thousands of users at the same time and can do multitasks at the same time. They are used in credit card processing, bank account management, marketing, aircraft control system and in the field of industrial design. And the next type of computers on the basis of size is minicomputer. They are medium-sized computers and support multi-users at the same time, about dozens of users at the same time. It is a multi-processing system and in comparison with the mainframe or supercomputers, they are less expensive. They are small in size and requires only a low maintenance cost only. They are effectively used in universities, middle-range business, multimedia, in designing 3D graphics and in the field of industrial processing, monitoring and controlling. And the last type of computers on the basis of size is microcomputers. They are available in different sizes for different users. They are the single user computers and they can be easily carried from one place to another since the size is very small. They are mainly used for home or office users and in small organizations. Computers like IBM PCs, Mac are the examples of microcomputers. There are some types of microcomputers also that we are studying here, and the first one is desktop computer. It is a computer that fixed on a desk. The normal computers that you can see in your computer lab, offices, etc. are desktop computer. Second one is laptop computer. It's a portable computer with an integrated screen and a keyboard. It's usually smaller in size than the desktop computer and larger than a notebook or a palm book. Next type of microcomputers are palm-top computer or notebooks. It's a hand-sized computer. They do not have keyboard in it, but the screen serves as both input and output devices. Generally, they have touch functions on the screen, so we can type or move the items on the screen using the display itself. Next type of computers is on the basis of purpose. According to purpose, computers can be general purpose or specific purpose computers. General purpose computers are designed to perform number of different tasks, but they store numerous or many programs, but they lack in speed and efficiency because they perform a variety of tasks with the same processor. Specific purpose computers are designed to perform only the task that is mentioned or designed in it. So, specific purpose computers are used for performing a particular task only. So, these are the classification of computers on the basis of working principle, size and on the basis of purpose. So, students, please go through the textbook and read the topics that we mentioned here. So, that's all for the day. We will come up with computer languages in the next class. So, thank you dear students. Have a pleasant day.